Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo signup forms and embed on your UI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Forms section in the main dashboard. Click on the Create Signup Form button to begin. Choose a template that fits your brand's aesthetic and functionality. Select inline 4 forms you want to embed directly in your web pages. Customize the form fields as needed, such as first name and email address. Modify the design elements, including colors, fonts, and images, to match your site. Once satisfied with the design, click on Continue to publish. In the next, determine when and where you want the form to appear on your site. After finishing the settings, click on Publish Form to make it live. Klaviyo will generate an embed code for your form. Copy the provided embed code to your clipboard. Now, head over to your website's content management system. Locate the specific page or section where you want to place the form. Switch to the HTML editing mode in your CMS. Paste the Klaviyo embed code into the desired location on your page. Save your changes and preview the page to ensure the form displays correctly. Test the form by submitting an entry to verify successful submissions. Adjust any settings or styles in Klaviyo as needed based on user interaction. Your Klaviyo signup form is now successfully embedded on your site. Monitor form performance through the analytics available in your Klaviyo dashboard. Make any necessary changes to improve engagement and conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.